We have 5 new announcements here at Yak Productions, and the last 2 you do not want to miss. First, the yak.productions website has been reworked. Easier to navigate, and now we have an email listing. So be sure to sign up for that to get first dibs on announcements, discounts, and promotions. Second thing, videography and video editing will be returning in the summer of 2024, making some new additions to the quality of the videos, which means new packages, new rates, and bringing on some new assistants this year. Very excited for that. Third, the down payment for booking me for your project is 50%, which secures your date and my services for that date. Once the final project is ready, the remaining balance will be due and the final project will be sent to you or the company. Number 4, one of the big ones. Online courses will be added to the yak.productions site in July of 2024. So if you want to learn all that I know from my 4 years in college, please subscribe to my courses at the yak.productions site this summer. Prices for the courses will be announced first through my email list at the yak.productions website, so be sure to sign up. And finally, number 5, Yak Production is partnering with LA Digital Studios to bring you a brand new studio built from the ground up for all of your photography and videography needs. The studio will be located in Burbank, California, and more announcements on that to come. I haven't been posting much on Instagram, but it is because we have been working so hard to bring you all of these new things that are soon to come. So be sure to follow me on Instagram at yak.productions, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel at yak.productions, and be sure to check out the website, most importantly, at yak.productions. There's no .com, it's yak.productions. I mean, I'm excited. Go ahead and leave some comments down below. Let's talk about it, man. DM me on Instagram at yak.productions if you have any further questions. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. So I'm gonna be catching y'all later. Peace.